So according to Keon, it's Taco Thursday, and almost everyone here at the table ordered the pork tacos, and I'm excited about them because this is one of my favorite appetizers on Royal Caribbean. How are they? I'm like the waitress that comes around once you start eating your food and get like a big bite and then just like ask how you're doing.
Yeah, the bao bun is very good.
Isn't it good? That's my favorite part.
Yeah.
We got good over there. Josh didn't order it. That's pretty lame. We got one more over there, two more over there. Hi, what did you get?
The parrotfish, they put themselves steak Diane.
Is it okay?
Try it. It's really weird.
Alright.
Cool.
We got some spaghetti over there that looks really good.
Good.
Sarah ordered off of the kids menu again. Grilled chicken.
Yes, ma'am. So good.
That looks good. You didn't order off of a menu, did you?
No. Well,
but you have food there, don't you?
No. There's nothing here.
What is that?
I don't remember what she said.
I don't know.
Some sort of beef, dal, something else with kidney beans. Basically, it's they have a rotating Indian menu that you can get.
And you're missing something.
Yeah, I'm a big kid. I ordered French fries with my steak, so I know it looks a little bare, but the fries are coming.
The fries are coming. It's okay. I should have ordered the fries too because I prefer fries over steak with baked potato. It's okay. You said that's good then? Alright. I was going to order the chicken parmesan. You want me to order it now?
Yeah, we'll just taste it. Well, if you want to taste it, because this is okay.
We'll order the chicken parmesan. Alright, that looks like a good decision. So it has mashed potatoes. Oh, that's hot. It has mashed potatoes underneath and ratatouille. I zoomed in a little too much. I was like, there's my face. That chicken parmesan was very good. This is the first time I've ordered the royal chocolate cake, and I think it's better than any of the nights that you ordered it. No. You got the tres leches. You eat that. No.
I'm trying to taste it.
No, you didn't order it.
I'm going to remember that.
Yep.
I'm going to remember that. Remember that cat taste? And I'm going to be like, no. This apple pie a la mode is really good.
I got the Trace ice creams.
Okay.
But I like to mix them all together. Yeah.
It tastes like, she said.
You know what it is?
I don't really like it. It does taste like, there's alcohol in that.
That's dessert abuse. Did anyone see what just happened?
It's totally like it's got some.
What is that?
I want to say
Like a rum.
Ooh. My man is over there living his best life right now.
Yeah, I know. Look, it keeps getting better and better.
I don't know. I like mixing it all together.
That's so funny.
It looks weird, but it tastes good.
Hi, Paradise Crew.
What's up, y'all? I am tired. I am sunburned, and we have an early day tomorrow.
We have a very early day tomorrow. We get into port. Okay. No. We get into port at 7 a.m. and we are meeting with our tour. Technically, our tour guide. He's not really. We're not doing a tour per se. He's kind of like a representative. Anyhow, we're meeting with him as soon as the ship docks and like we can get off the ship.
Yeah, it's pretty quick.
So it's going to be really early, but we're going to have a fun day at the water park, and then we're going to do some Mayan wellness ritual, which sounds so fun, and then be back on the ship before 3 o'clock.
Yeah, and then we have a sea day.
Well, right, but then we have fun things in the evening.
Guys, I am so tired. That's contagious.
Stop it.
Is anyone else yawning through the screen?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I apologize. But anyhow, tomorrow there's another ice skating show. Also Quest.
I don't know if we're going to make Quest.
How can we not make Quest?
Easy. Don't go.
We didn't go last time.
I know.
Because of someone. I'm not naming any names.
Because Bruce.
You said it, not me.
So there's a new meme out there. SpongeBob. He's like, alright, I'm gonna head out. And that was basically Bruce. We're like, hey.
We're going to Quest. He's like,
we're going to Quest. He's like, alright. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna put the SpongeBob meme up there in the corner, like.
Oh man. Anyhow,
Guys, we love ya.
I don't mean to interrupt you. Can we talk about the fact that my face here is one color and my chest is another color? And it looks really bad in this light. It's just because I got a lot of sun on my chest and it's so hard with makeup trying to match it.
Well, if anyone wanted to know if black people got sunburned, I'm just letting you know that we do.
Oh no, I didn't see that.
There you go. So that's proof.
We're on the struggle bus.
All right, guys. I love you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, or on Facebook or something. If you dig those vibes, please subscribe. It's free. It helps us out so much.
It does, and don't unsubscribe after you subscribe, because I watch those numbers and I don't like that.
Yeah, we accidentally like, hey guys, subscribe, and I think a lot of people pressed the subscribe button. We lost 12 subscribers at one time. We're like, oh, I think they didn't know they were already subscribed. So we'll probably ask again, like, hey, make sure if the button's red, click subscribe, and then don't touch it again.
Don't touch it ever.
Because that's never happened. Where we're just like 12 gone. So that was funny. But
anyhow, if you care, please share.
Should we start over?
If you want to.
If you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise tomorrow.
We'll see you in paradise tomorrow.
Okay. That was my line, but all right.
We'll see you. I'm just playing. I'm about to do it. All right. Bye.
Bye.
And we'll see you in Costa Maya.
We will.
Costa Maya.
Say subscribe.
Oh, I didn't turn this off.
Oh.